Are you looking to transform your home with a cozy, rustic charm? Farmhouse decor might be just what you need. This popular style blends vintage elements with modern comfort, creating spaces that feel both warm and inviting. Did you know that the farmhouse style originated from rural homes in the 18th century, where functionality and simplicity were key? Today, it's all about combining those traditional elements with contemporary touches. In this video, we'll share some easy and effective tips to bring farmhouse decor into your home, making it stylish and comfortable. Key elements of farmhouse decor. Farmhouse decor is all about creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere that combines rustic charm with practicality. Key elements include natural materials like wood and metal, neutral color palettes, and vintage or distressed furnishings. The goal is to achieve a look that feels lived in and comfortable, with a focus on simplicity and functionality. Think of it as a blend of old and new, where modern comforts meet vintage aesthetics. The color palette is crucial in achieving the farmhouse look. Popular choices include neutral tones like whites, creams, beiges, and soft pastels such as light blues and greens. These colors create a serene and soothing environment. When selecting colors, consider how they complement each other. For example, pairing a soft blue with crisp white can create a fresh and airy feel. To add depth, you can use painting techniques like whitewashing or distressing to give walls and furniture a weathered, farmhouse appeal. Furniture is a key component of farmhouse decor. Look for pieces that are sturdy and functional, with a hint of rustic charm. Wooden furniture, especially those with a distressed or vintage finish, is a staple. You can find affordable options at flea markets, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Repurposing old furniture is also a great way to achieve the farmhouse look. For instance, an old wooden table can be sanded down and given a fresh coat of paint to become a stunning centerpiece in your dining room. Textiles play a significant role in enhancing the farmhouse aesthetic. Materials like linen, cotton, and burlap add texture and warmth to your space. Consider farmhouse-style curtains, cushions, and rugs in neutral tones or subtle patterns. Mixing and matching different textures can create a layered and cozy feel. For example, a linen table runner paired with burlap placemats and cotton napkins can add a rustic yet refined touch to your dining table. Decorative accents are the finishing touches that bring your farmhouse decor to life. Key items include mason jars, galvanized metal containers, wooden signs, and vintage knickknacks. These pieces add character and charm to your home. DIY projects can also be a fun way to personalize your space. For instance, you can create your own farmhouse-style wall art using reclaimed wood and stencils. Finding unique decor pieces at antique shops or crafting them yourself adds a personal touch to your home. Lighting is essential in creating the right ambience for your farmhouse decor. Look for fixtures that have a rustic or vintage feel, such as lanterns, chandeliers, or pendant lights with an industrial touch. Soft, warm lighting enhances the cozy atmosphere. Candles and string lights can add an extra layer of warmth and charm. Place them strategically around your home to create inviting nooks and crannies that exude comfort and relaxation. While farmhouse decor has its hallmarks, it's important to add personal touches to make your space truly yours. Incorporate family heirlooms, personal collections, or DIY projects that reflect your personality and style. This could be anything from a gallery wall of family photos in vintage frames to a handmade quilt draped over a couch. The key is to blend these personal elements seamlessly with the overall farmhouse aesthetic, creating a space that feels uniquely yours while maintaining that cozy, rustic charm. To recap, we've covered the essentials of transforming your home with farmhouse decor. From understanding the core elements to choosing the right colors, furniture, textiles, and decorative accents, Each step plays a crucial role in achieving that warm, inviting farmhouse look. We hope these tips inspire you to start your own farmhouse decor journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.